Good morning children. Today we are going to learn a new design. In that we are going to learn how to draw candles. Okay, so let us begin. You can see there is this one line dividing two squares. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to draw two parallel lines, one this side and one this side. Okay, so let us begin. You have to leave the first line. You will start from the second full square. You have to leave this half square, then this first full square and second square. Now you will start from here. Okay, so let us begin. You have to draw one straight line like this parallel to this center line, then the other line this side parallel to this center line, then you will close these two lines like this from top and bottom. So this will be rectangle. You can see. After that you have to make the flame of the candle. For that you have to draw a leaf. I have already taught you how to draw a leaf, so you will make a leaf like this on this center line, and this will be the flame of the candle. Okay children, now we'll draw the next candle. You will leave this one line, and then on the next line again you will draw two parallel lines on both sides, then you will close the lines and make a rectangle. After that you have to make a leaf like this for the flame. See, like this you will keep on drawing, leaving one line in center, then again you will take the other line and draw two parallel lines, close it from both sides, make a rectangle and then make a leaf. You can put a dot here below this intersecting lines. You can put a dot here so that all the flames are on equal height. Okay, then like this you will make a leaf. So like this you have to go on making the candles in this line, and then in next line you will leave this square, then again one more square, and in the third square you will start drawing your candle again. Okay children, like this you will close the line and make the flame like this. So there will be one line left in between the two candles. You have to see that you have to leave one square line in between the two lines of the candles. So you have to draw in the same way one more time. You will leave this line, and in the last line you will draw the candle again. Draw two parallel lines and then again draw the leaf. So again there will be one full square line left in between the two candles. Now you can see how you have to draw. You have to leave one full square line after each candle. Like this 3 candles will come in one page. Okay, you have to see 3 candles in each, 3 candle lines will come in one page. Okay, one line this, second line here, and the third line here. Okay, so complete all these candles and fill the page. We will see how to color it in the next video. Okay children, till then see you, have a nice day.